Good morning, all Builderall enthusiasts. Today I want to show you the message center, a very handy thing in Builderall business. So we go to the message center. And I'm going to send a message to all Builderall leads and a copy to me. Okay, well, as I said, I'm sending it to all business leads, and I'll send it to leads in test, and I'll send it to inactive leads too. Alright, so I've copied a message in here. I'll just add the subject there. Subject. Always like to have a subject. Okay, this is not your dad's page builder. And read that when it drops in for you. And I've included a link to a video that I made on the Builderall social proof tool. Okay, well that's all there is to it. Now I just click send. I'm also sending a copy to myself, so hit send. And there it is. All my people, and it pops up there. Says that I've sent that, but what we can do, I'm pretty sure it will appear here too in the inbox. Oh, there it is. How cool is that? There it is. That's arrived in my inbox under the email that I have my account in. Now what I want to see is, yes, the link is active. Social proof. Let's click on that. What happens there? Oh, I love you, Builderall. Love you, Builderall. It's such a great tool, and you know what I like about it is it's not so much making money for me. That'll happen, but that'll be the fruit on the tree. What I'm doing now is I'm cultivating the roots, and I want to know more and more about Builderall so I can impart that to my affiliates. Okay, so have a nice day, and it's Andy of Andy's team coming to you from Bangkok. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Hit the link. So signing off with a Rickapooty and a Fan Doogly.